Hello everyone, Black8001 here, back again with our Moulinex microwave, Patricia. Today, Patricia's going to be microwaving a dead LED light bulb. And you might be thinking, well, light bulbs are no fun. All they do is glow, right? Well, the thing is, this is an LED light bulb. It has power supply, circuitry inside, so it'll hopefully blow up. How many lumens does a light bulb use? How many watts? That's a good question. 60 milliamps. So we'll do that. I hate this thing. Oh, it's actually lighting up. Look at it. Smoke. What's it doing? Oh, it's on fire. Okay. Oh, look at that. Did a nice job. I need a better table. Oh, it stinks. There you go. She's baked. It lit up. I'm surprised, actually. Surprised it lit up. But there you go. It's all melted.